Yo, so hey, how y'all doing? That sounded corny. Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am CJ504. I'm your host CJ, and today we're going to be reviewing the Rode NT1. Okay, so recently I started a podcast, and I kind of teased it on my social media via Instagram, and I started the first couple episodes I previously recorded. I threw a couple of snippets out there, and a lot of people were wondering what mic was I using. So I figured, hey, why not do a review on it on YouTube? This is how it sounds. I usually more for the podcast, or if I'm doing voiceover for YouTube. So like one of my previous gym videos I posted, I actually was using this to do the voiceovers on it, and sync the audio, and boom, voila. Like if you hear this microphone, oh man, I'm really new to this tech shit. Well, this is really how it sounds, and it's better than using the audio off of the Sony 6500, external mic, so you can hear the difference. Now, I'm pretty sure I'm not this audiophile guy. I'm not this person I'm not going to go into detail about wave patterns and, compare to the mics. I have a few mics, and if you want to see me review more audio equipment that I have a few microphones I can do reviews on them. So, if y'all want to hear that, if y'all interested, give me a thumbs up or leave a comment in the description box. Or just leave a comment. You don't got to be, I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. I've been sitting on this Rode NT1 for a while now. Is it the Rode NT1? I got to make sure it's the right microphone. It is definitely the Rode NT1. Okay, this is the Rode NT1. And this is how it sounds. I mainly use it for voiceovers and my podcasts. Now, my podcast is going to be up very shortly. I'm currently recording a few episodes so I can start setting up my time and scheduling, but I'm like 3 episodes in so far, so be on the lookout for the podcast. This clearly sounds better than the external audio on the Sony A6500. So you could compare and contrast, if it's a microphone for you or you want to try to get with this microphone. I think it retails for maybe $249 maybe. The microphone retails for $229, but you might find it cheaper, through, I don't know, eBay maybe, or buy it off someone else. And I personally like this microphone. I like the way it sounds. I like how my voice sounds in the microphone. It sounds better when you get close up on it compared to like talking like this, because I could easily like just keep it right here or a little to the side because it's a cardioid pattern, so it'll still catch me. But I personally rather, speak up on it like this because it make me sound sexy. And I really think I'm sexy anyway, so why not? I'm gonna keep it short. It's not gonna be a real drawn out video talking about details of the microphone. You can look it up on someone else who uses it for music maybe, and see what they talk about. I don't use it for music. I solely only use it for like podcasts and voiceovers. And like I said, I'm not big on editing audio the way it sounds coming out my recorder. I might just put it out there just like that, and then the more I do it, maybe I can start editing audio. That's not my thing right now. I just know this sounds better than the external microphone built in the camera body. The built-in microphone in the Sony A6500. This clearly sounds better. And be on the lookout for my podcast. And if you want to hear or see more reviews on different tech and audio or the things that I use throughout my daily life, then you can do that. And thank you, and God bless.